Arboretum.
Arboretum Garden.
Well, in December they have lights, Christmas lights.
Well, that's like that place down the street from us.
Yeah.
Brooklyn.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
there. The gardens. Oh.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. No, di na di rin. No, na di rin.
Thank you, Tito.
Gamay raman na mado. Para siyang ano no? Para look like the ano,
Oh, an apple.
pineapple.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. But of course, don't. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Mm.
Right here.
Huh?
You're right here.
Hawak mo ang big, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat parang. Hawak mo ang big.
Picture kayo ni Tito dyan. Picture kayo dyan, Tito.
Show him that.
Put yourself in.
Very nice. What is over there?
Fountain.
Huh?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
This time, because when
Lavender,
we
oh.
came over here, it was not
I
growing
got the
yet.
picture of the day.
Oh!
Nice.
Teka, laka-laka.
Mm.
Ikot ka din.
Mm. Nice. Yeah. And that one day. Beautiful flower.
Yeah, picture, teka, teka.
Grabe ang trees, madam mo. So huge. Huge kayong mga trees. Yan. May dala pang kamera.
Oh, ito ba?
All these flower boxes are
Lot
dedicated
of
to
flower.
somebody.
Have books? What is that over there? Books?
I'm wondering if it's just a family. What's that sunset?
I don't. Turtle.
Yeah, dito.
Walking here, guys. Very nice. Garden. What the name? Itrolium? Itrolium? I forgot the name, guy. We put this guy, the description. The name of the garden. Oh, have fountain over there. Right there. There. Look like maybe have alligator over there.
Like up the alley is.
Yeah.
There's a couple.
Huh? Huh? Lot of alligator over there.
We're just gonna walk around over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, on a Saturday though. Yeah.
Maglakaw ka.
Huh? Ah, okay. At least if you walk, have shadow, no? But over here, no. But it's fine. Ay.
The other day. Yeah. This was a loblolly back here. It was a huge one. And I guess it died or something.
Ah, over here.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
But
Mm.
yeah, it was this guy.
Yeah.
It was huge right there.
Labla Libby.
Pose, Charlie. Pose.
Oh, wow.
Do your pose. Charlie, do like this. And look behind. Look.
What's that mean?
I don't know what kind of dress that.
It's
Huh?
I forgot too. It's some kind
Sige.
of. It's a type of long fiber.
Take ka daan.
Di madam, lit diha.
This is a nice pavilion. Yeah.
Mm-mm. Yeah, this one.
It's just into the sun. I guess it's facing west.
Nice over there.
Really nice.
Atubang kita.
Ah, dire day mato ng picture.
Huh?
I'm going to the
Yeah, if you want. It's not that bad. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kalasangan.
Now this tree, this is like my favorite tree right here.
Mm.
Look at this guy.
Ah, lot of thorn. Yeah.
Oh.
What's the name of that?
It's called a K-pop tree.
Oh, wow.
K-A-P-O-K. Yeah.
Look like, ano, the leaves is look like cassava.
It looks like a money tree. The leaves. A little bit.
Mm.
That would suck to get pushed into that.
Lot of thorn. Yeah, and the thorns are very good, sharp. Oh, kuryoso madam oh. May laman yan. Yeah. Have more inside root because very big eh. That is taro, different kind of taro. Ah, this one the bridge. Small bridge. Few people lang come over. No?
Ganda kita.
Oh, nga, ang ganda. Beautiful. Perfect. Siguro sa mountain natin, pag ganito hindi natin, madam.
Oo.
Ang mountain natin. I was surprised, no more mosquito. I think habi.
Mosquito yan.
Oh, a bird.
Another woodpecker.
Yeah. Bird.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's over there. Hmm. What is that? Ah, squirrel. Oh, birthday. Squirrel! Get down. I give you some. Madam. Pardon our dress. Pardon our dress. Yeah. Back over here. You return. Return to
Yeah,
the
this takes you right back.
right back. Lot of trees over here, guys. This is the garden. Garden. Have breeds
Oh,
over
this
here.
is poison ivy.
Where? That's poison ivy. Wow. This one. Poison ivy. That is very itchy. Ha? Sige. Maganda yon, madam. Kaya nakatingin sa akin dalawa. The Brooklyn so very huge, you know. I think you take more. How many hours before you're done? Maybe 2 hours. Yeah. Red marble. That's the red marble. Oh, dito.
Red maple.
Ha?
Red maple.
Red metal. That is used for the decoration. Loblalibi. Loblalibi. Sweet gum. Ah, sweet gum din.
Maybe that's marked it so that they'll know that maybe they inspect them real quick.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they don't need to be cut
Yeah.
for storm or something.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Another one
especially by the boardwalk here.
Yeah.
Where are you na, madam? Pakachigras. Pakachigras.
Any weeds in there you want to eat, Beth?
Huh?
Any weeds in there you want to eat?
Yeah.
Take them home.
Yeah. You stick them in your bag.
Yeah. That. That oh. That. That is food.
Yeah. What, those big weeds?
Yeah. The big leaves. Aray. Paglakat madam, kay picturean ta ka madam. Ay videohan ta ka madam.
So you can get a closer look at that.
Ha? Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, right there.
You're like in Tagaytay, mahal.
This where all the alligators hang out.
Oh, that oh, be alert. Alligator. Yeah. Over there.
Malawak pa to, kaso lang wala na tayong time.
Oo nga. At saka, medyo gitapoy na inikot.
Go over there, but it's so far away now.
Mm-mm.
Uy, daan kita, oh, picture ka din eh.
Mm-mm.
Sa may
Sige.
mga flowers.
Sige. Wow, the sun is right there.